Now I will tell you how I was able to put the Caterpillar tracks on my RC car. If you remember, I did some upgrade. I actually replaced the axles on this car. This was a regular RC car with low power, with the plastic gears that moved the wheels, and I just out of curiosity ordered some new axles from a huge truck, which is also a regular toy, not a very interesting model, but I just saw that they had interesting axles as spare parts sold on the internet. So I bought one, and I tried to apply a lot of power to one of the axles, as you remember from the previous videos, and it turned out that the gears inside were plastic, so they broke down. So I did a lot of more research, and I found that the same spare parts are being sold with metal gears inside. So I bought another one, and I also saw that they sell Caterpillar tracks to the same truck model. So I thought that's gonna be an interesting idea, so that I can actually switch wheels and tracks, and I can play with this car in winter and in summer and in any condition. So that's how this idea happened to me. I just bought also a set of tracks, and I was able to just screw them to this axle that I have on this RC car. They are compatible. You just remove these tires and put the tracks on. One of the things I had to deal with was actually that when I bought a model with the metal gears, it turned out that it had a little bit of a different shape. You see, it has a square shape here, but this one has a circular shape. And actually the tracks that came, they would fit only to the circular, through the axles with the circular part. So I had to switch the casings. I mean, the casings are different, but the gear structure inside and the metal parts inside were the same. So if you decide to do the same, you will have to switch, or you will have to watch for what kind of axle you're buying. If it's a square one, it will not fit to those Caterpillar tracks. If it's circular, it will fit. So this track comes also with this small part, circular part, which fits on this axle. I tried to fit it directly, but I saw that something was not working well, and I found out that there's another O-ring, plastic O-ring here that you need to remove first. So you remove it first, this plastic ring, and then you put this ring on, so they should be replaced, and then you fit in your Caterpillar track, and that's it. That's easy. So you get a very interesting customization on your RC car with these tracks and with these tires and with these axles. And I'd say that these axles can be used to any car. They just fit inside. You can screw them on, and actually you can check my previous videos how to adapt this to cars. And this is a small RC car, and I could still fit it in. And it's just an interesting way to invent things for yourself and play with it afterwards. So I hope you like it. In my next videos I'm gonna put some more power on this car and see how it works with the Caterpillar tracks again, and I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.